Hi, today for the fixed Xiaomi 13 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. If you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click here to more. Then click to remove account, confirm your action. And now in Google account settings, we suggest successfully log out from Gmail account. So let's go back to the application. And yeah, we can see also that we just successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.